So over here, now let's see how we can expand and crop videos in Canvas that we have right here. So to do that, you can go around over here onto the stock videos. So let me just go ahead and bring in a stock video from the video section right here. Like, let me bring in this one, and you can see that this video is quite small and it's not covering up the entire space right here. So if I want to resize this out, I can simply go ahead and then click and drag and resize this video out right here, just like this as well. So this is what you have. Apart from that, if you want to actually go ahead and crop out the video, then you can actually go around and click on crop video on top right here. And then you can go ahead and crop this out just like this as well. And then if you were to click outside, you can see that this is the video crop right here. If I were to double click, I can go ahead and then click and drag to change the crop area as needed as well, just like this. So apart from that, you can go around over here and then go around onto mask video as well for cropping. So you can go around, mask it out like this, and even change around this yellow highlight, yellow diamond icon right here. You can click and drag this out to change how this shape actually looks. You can change it into a heart shape and a lot of other shapes that you have right here, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and choose this, and this is how you can crop it out. So you can double click it right here and resize this out to change the crop as well, just like this. And you can see that this is how you can crop and mask out videos that you have in Google Vids. And you can go ahead and add in other elements besides behind it as well, or in forward. Like, let's say, for example, if I were to bring in shape right here, just like this, then you can see that this is what you have. So now I can go ahead and then bring this onto the top. I can go around, bring it out to the front, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can expand and crop out videos and even mask them out inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.